Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to improve a PowerPoint presentation. I'll reveal two methods to create stunning PowerPoint presentations effortlessly using ChatGPT. Let's dive in. The first method is to create a PowerPoint presentation with a VBA code. Just open ChatGPT and type "Write me VBA PowerPoint codes" on, and you can choose your topic. For example, holiday in Mauritius. Use 8 slides. You can change the number. ChatGPT will generate the VBA code. Once it's ready, just click on Copy Code. Open PowerPoint and go to the File tab, then select Options. In the Customize ribbon section, check the Developer option and click OK. Then, click on the Developer tab and select Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic editor, click on Insert, then Module. Paste the code you copied from ChatGPT into the module and press Play button to run the code. This will generate a presentation with 8 slides as you specified. Select the first slide and click on Designer, which is PowerPoint's AI tool for automatic design. Choose a design template that suits your presentation, and Designer will suggest beautiful designs for all the slides. Simply go through each slide to improve the visual appeal. Now you have a beautifully designed presentation about Mauritius, ready to impress your audience. The second method is to create a pitch deck presentation using ChatGPT and Word. Firstly, ask ChatGPT to generate a pitch deck for a startup. For example, you are an expert in creating pitch decks. Generate a PowerPoint pitch deck for a startup that specializes in reducing food waste. Structure it into problem, solution, business model, competition, marketing plan, and fundraising. Use 8 slides. Copy the generated outline from ChatGPT and open a blank Word document and paste it there, using merge formatting to avoid unwanted formatting. Now, clean up the context by removing unnecessary parts, and under the View tab, just click on Outline to structure the content. Now, select the slide headings and assign them to Level 1. Select the bullet points and assign them to Level 2. Save the Word document and close Outline View. Now open a blank PowerPoint presentation and click on New Slide, then Slides from Outline. Locate the saved Word document and insert it. PowerPoint will automatically create slides from the outline. Now, just click on the first slide and choose a design template from Designer, and repeat this for all slides to create a polished pitch deck. You can always change designs for individual slides by selecting them and letting Designer suggest new styles. Now you have a professionally designed pitch deck ready to present to investors. These two methods allow you to create professional PowerPoint presentations in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more time-saving tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.